Hello. Sorry, I was thinking someone was gonna come in, but good afternoon. Vlogmas day 10. I didn't even open my Sephora advent calendar thing for today because I was just really in that much of a rush. That's why there's no like proper intro to this one. And I'm already having my lunch and literally counting down like the last couple of hours before I go home. But face on thinner today, which is wild because like today I was just woke up really not feeling it. It could have been like, especially because I didn't have the serotonin boost this morning, maybe because I didn't open my Sephora gift for the day, but I was just really not feeling it. I do have some rituals that when I get home after work, which I'm doing right now, and for YouTube TOS, you know, just basically saying I'm having my after work tea. So give me 1 second. Okay, I am back. But for you guys, no time has passed at all. So let's see what is in day 10. I literally opened the flap this morning and I was just rushing out the house so much I didn't even get to open it. So day 10 is right beside day 24, and it's reminding us that Christmas is like literally in 2 weeks. Caffeine eye cream by the In Key List. Caffeine eye cream, 50 milliliters, helps reduce the appearance of tired eyes. Another eye cream. We just got a really nice eye cream yesterday, the other day. The Clinique one. Was it Clinique? Okay, I got everything. I was struggling because 2 things were in the shower because we already got 2 shower items. One of them being the Drunk Elephant facial cleanser. I've been using this for a couple of days now, 2 days I think. I love it, but not too much to say. I love it. I love that it's not scented. It's really gentle on my skin. My skin is very like sensitive and picky, so I can tell if a cleanser is gonna work for me like right off the bat. And I love that it just leaves my skin feeling hydrated, not that like dry, tight feeling. I hate that feeling. To me, that's like a bad time. Then we got the L'Occitane shower oil yesterday. Literally, I forgot about this almost, and we just got it yesterday. I used it actually this morning though, and I used it all over my body, and you guys can't even tell. It looks like it didn't even go down at all, and I used it all over my body. I love it. It's obviously meant to use when you're in the shower. Turn the shower nozzle like away from you and just get it all over your body, and as soon as it touches your skin, you rub it in. It makes like a nice like creamy like lather, and I got that all over my skin, and I don't smell like it anymore, but it's been all day, but I definitely smell good today. I liked it, and my skin is still very hydrated even though it's really cold winter. So love this. I might like this and this are definitely like in the rebuy pile. I actually love it. We also got this. I'm going out of order, but we also got this, which is like a $50 oil. Like this size is literally worth $50. The normal size is $100, and this is half of the normal size. So I have been using this too on the daily, especially because I use tretinoin. This has been amazing for the mornings after I do my tretinoin the night before, and my skin is just loving it. This we got on day 1. I remember this because I was like calling it a hand cream. I was super confused, but it is a moisturizer that has really good reviews, and I haven't tried it yet. I'm kind of just saving it for my trip coming up because it's the perfect travel size. We also got Summer Fridays, the Jet like mask. They call it a mask, but it's very creamy. Like it's really very much like cream. So I do use it as an overnight moisturizer basically, and I have been using it, as you could tell, and it's amazing. it's actually really good. I get the hype. I love it. We got the first piece of makeup and yeah, the first piece of makeup we got was the Rare Beauty eyeshadow stick. Haven't used it yet. I'm planning to use it for some dinners that I have coming up soon. So got that. We got, this is the eye cream that we got a couple of days ago by Claudelie. Hope I'm saying that right. We got the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. Super excited. I'm literally finishing the little mini sample that I have right now. And yeah. And then we also got the Glow Recipe little flush thing. I was kind of hating on this at first. This has actually become, you can kind of still see it. That little pink flush is literally this. And I love it. 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 I'm sorry that I ever even talk shit. I'll give you guys like a little tease. Even though the lighting is horrible here, you can see it goes on like super pigmented. And I love it because it's so quick in the morning when I'm rushing that I could just rub it in my face like this. It's also like skincare. And that's it. And it leaves just the perfect amount of tint that you look flushed, you look healthy for the day. And that has been the most of the makeup I'm doing so far. And then today we got another eye cream from the In Key list, which we'll look up. Yeah. We got the 15 milliliters. This one is the standard side is 15 milliliters. And this is $16.50. So I will actually try this. I'm torn to take it out because we've already started one. And I already have 2 other eye creams opened that I use. One's from the dollar store, but the other one is a gifted PR that I got. But with eye creams, like, I don't mind having 2 opened at once, but I feel like 3 is a little bit crazy. I mean, this has a specific purpose for reducing the appearance of tired eyes. And you know what? That actually is something that I am really targeting right now. It's not like the Claudelie. What I really like about the applicator, you can see it's like this, which I find is really good at keeping the product fresh because it's not like it's sitting super close to the surface. So I think, and it came like this, like it wasn't sealed or anything. So I think we can just kind of maybe chill on it and switch to this one. I don't like to waste skincare, guys. Ooh, so okay, I just opened this one and it kind of came squirting out, guys. It is, I'm gonna just close that up. I'm gonna close it up, but it's kind of the same thing, but this, they definitely filled it all up with product, which is good. I'm not complaining. And I'm just like rubbing on my wrist. It smells cool. It smells very natural. It doesn't smell like caffeine. I don't know if that, well, it doesn't smell like coffee, but it's very natural. I'm excited to try it out. I'll try it out in the morning. So that brings us up to, because yesterday we were at like 2:30, or yeah, basically 2:30. So that brings us up to around 2:40, and we are at 10 products. So they said the value of the box is $700. That's why I'm keeping count, because my mom was like, oh, they have to put $700 stuff in there because they know like people will be counting. I'm like, okay, well, I'm still gonna count just in case. But we're kind of at 250, and we're basically, you know, kind of halfway there. Well, you know, like a little less than halfway there. No, we're halfway there. Can I not count? Can I not count? Well, yeah, because in another 10 days it would be the 20th, whatever. But they better come hard, because I'm just saying, if the other products were kind of the same thing, we will only be at 500. And then I guess the other 4 days, maybe they put some really heavy hitting stuff. We'll see. We'll see. You know what? Hey, I'm totally not complaining. Like, honestly, by the 10th day today, I totally feel like the benefits of everything so far. And honestly, like, this is the most, I just want to still practice gratitude, because like I'm lining them all up, and although not all of them are full size, this is still the most product like brand new product that I've had from Sephora all at once ever in my life. And I feel like the younger 15-16-year-old me who used to save up all her money for one ABH palette is so happy. She's so happy. Like, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Genuinely, my heart is so full. Like, it can't even all fit in the camera, and this isn't even all the stuff yet. So I am definitely super grateful, even though I bought this for myself, but I got it on sale. Like, I really only paid $94 for this. So I'm grateful for everything that I've gotten, honestly. And I'm so excited. I don't know, when you use like nice stuff on your skin, and like especially getting into the shower and the body oils, and you're starting off your day pampering yourself and pouring into yourself, you know, and then continuing on to the skincare. That's why I freaking love skincare, because it really is like such an act of self-love to me, because it's like you are taking care of your skin, literally. You're doing like the extra step of using all these different things. But it's just, you know, life starts to hit different when you really, you know, have the money and the time to do stuff like this. And I'm just so grateful, because just last year, this exact same time, I didn't even know how I was gonna pay rent. I'm gonna keep it so real with you. I didn't know how I was gonna pay rent. My best friend had ghosted me. My ex-boyfriend was on his way out too. And just to have my Christmas tree definitely wasn't up. I don't even think I put up my Christmas tree last year. It was really like a different time. And just to have like the 180 this year of like, look at you being able to get yourself all these gifts, and you're going on vacation. And like for the past few days, every day I've had to go pick up packages of, you know, stuff that I was able to get for myself. And it just feels good. It's deserved. It feels good. I understand why God put me through what he put me through. And I'm super grateful. Anyways, this episode was cool. It started off, you know, right at work because I was so busy this morning. And we got home and we reflected, and I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm excited to see what's in the box tomorrow. I'm gonna keep it so real. I'm excited to see what's in the box tomorrow. Also, tomorrow's leg day for me for the gym. Today was a rest day for me for the gym, which I feel like almost translated into this vlog, because, you know, I took it easy this morning. I was like, chill, let me just focus on getting to work. I will vlog when I vlog. You know, remember y'all, I'm uploading daily vlogs while still holding down a full-time job. Still running my little business and looking good while doing it. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm dancing to the squeaks in my chair.